the month of March, Oracle announced the availability of Java 22, the latest version of the Java. Java 22 delivers thousands of performance, stability, and security-related improvements. These include enhancements to the Java language, its APIs and performance, and the tools included in the Java Development Kit, JDK. Let's take an overview of significant updates delivered in Java 22. Statements before super. As we know, the super keyword in Java is a reference variable that is used to refer to parent class when we are working with objects. And there was this rule that when calling a superclass constructor, the super statement must be the first statement in the constructor of the subclass. For so long this question was there in everybody's mind that why call to super constructor have to be the first statement. So, this feature, which is in its preview stage, allows statements that do not reference the instance being created to appear before an explicit constructor invocation. How this will help? As per Oracle's official release, by allowing statements that do not reference the instance being created to appear before an explicit constructor invocation, this feature enables a more natural placement of logic that needs to be factored into auxiliary static methods, auxiliary intermediate constructors, or constructor arguments. Next, we have unnamed variables and patterns. This feature simplifies code by allowing the use of underscore as a placeholder for unused variables. And it enhances readability and conciseness of the code too. Next is string templates, second preview. String templates were originally proposed as a preview feature by JEP 430 in JDK 21. And this is a second preview of that feature. It simplifies the development of Java programs by making it easy to express strings that include values computed at runtime. It is proposed to enhance the readability of expressions that mix text and expressions, whether the text fits on a single source line, as with string literals, or spans several source lines, as with text blocks. It improves the security of Java programs that compose strings from user-provided values and pass them to other systems, example, building queries for databases, by supporting validation and transformation of both the template and the values of its embedded expressions. And this feature simplifies the use of APIs that accept strings written in non-Java languages, such as SQL, XML, and JSON. Next, we have implicitly declared classes and instance main methods, second preview. It simplifies code by allowing classes and instance main methods to be implicitly declared. Oracle says that it helps accelerate learning by offering a smooth on-ramp to Java programming to enable students to write their first programs without needing to understand language features designed for large programs. Now let's talk about Project Loom. Here we have two key features: structured concurrency, second preview, and scoped values, which is again in its second preview. 462 is about structured concurrency. It introduces lightweight threads for efficient concurrency and simplifies asynchronous programming. And 464 is about scoped values. It allows setting thread local values without using thread local and improves thread safety and resource management. Next, we have Project Panama-related enhancements. 454 and 460. 454 is about Foreign Function and Memory API. It provides better integration with native libraries and non-Java code and simplifies interaction with native memory. And 460 is about Vector API. It enables efficient vectorized operations for numerical computations. The official release says that it enables developers to achieve performance superior to equivalent scalar computations by introducing an API to express vector computations that reliably compile at runtime to vector instructions on supported CPU architectures. Other than these, we have core libraries and tools enhancements too. 457 Class File API, it provides better access to class file structures. 458 Launch Multifile Source Code Programs, which simplifies running multifile Java programs. And 461 Stream Gatherers to enhance stream processing capabilities. And finally, we have performance-related updates, where JEP 423 is included to reduce latency by implementing region pinning in G1, garbage first, collector, so that garbage collection need not be disabled during Java native interface critical regions. So, this was a quick overview of Java 22 release updates. For more information, visit Oracle's official platform.